Replace your corroded or failure-prone factory manifold bolts with the XDP Black Oxide Exhaust Manifold Stud Kit. Over time, the factory bolts tend to seize in place and are prone to breaking or snapping during removal. The XDP Black Oxide Exhaust Manifold Stud Kit features everything needed to replace the original bolts in your 94 to 18 Dodge Ram 5.9 liter and 6.7 liter Cummins. Included in the kit are 12 studs, 12 washers, and 12 12-point nuts. Each stud features an Allen head at the top of the stud for easy thread-in installation. To ensure durability and corrosion resistance, all hardware included features a black oxide coating. To find out more about the XDP Black Oxide Exhaust Manifold Stud Kit, check out xdp.com or contact a local dealer near you.